Om Shanti 18/7/2021. Today's Murli. Original date 16/2/1988. Title: Constantly maintain enthusiasm, that is Utsaha, and celebrate with festivity, means Utsav. Today, Bap Dada is giving a special slogan. Today is said to be the day of a festival. People celebrate Shivratri or Shiv Jayanti as a festival. Always remember the slogan of the day of the festival. Every moment of Brahmin life is a moment of festivity. Brahmin life means constantly to celebrate a festival, constantly to maintain your enthusiasm and give souls enthusiasm with your every action. So, you have to celebrate a festival, remain enthusiastic and give enthusiasm to others. Where there is enthusiasm, no one can move those souls away from the enthusiasm, no matter what type of obstacle comes in front of them. When you have temporary enthusiasm, you forget everything else, do you not? At a time when you are celebrating something, you experience happiness and you don't remember anything else. So, in Brahmin life, every moment is a festivity. That is, every moment is spent with enthusiasm. In that case, would anything else come up? When you go to limited celebrations, what do they have there? They have dancing, singing, games and food. That is all there is. It's there. So, what do you do throughout the day in the celebrations of Brahmin life? When you do service, you do that while considering it to be a game, don't you? Or do you feel it to be a burden? In today's world, when souls without knowledge do even a little bit of mental work, what do they say? I am very tired. I have got a lot of pressure of work on my head. However, what do you say when you return after doing service? We have come back after eating the nourishing fruit of service. This is because when you become an instrument for the greatest service of all, then the greater and the more beautiful is the instant fruit of service that you receive. When you eat instant fruit, you receive even more power. Your power of happiness increases. This is why no matter how hard the physical work may be, or it may even be mental work, making plans, you don't feel any tiredness. You are not even aware of whether it is night or day. If you did not have a watch, would you know what time it was? You are celebrating with festivity, and therefore service gives you enthusiasm and enables you to experience enthusiasm. Blessing. May you be a master bestower and do not look at anyone's defects or weaknesses, but cooperate with your virtues and powers. Again, may you be a master bestower and do not look at anyone's defects or weaknesses, but cooperate with your virtues and powers. Baba says, a master bestower means constantly to have the spiritual feeling that all spirits, means souls, should claim a right to the inheritance just as you have. You do not look at anyone's defects or weaknesses, but give the cooperation of the virtues and powers that you have imbibed. Instead of having the feeling that one is always like this, let there be the pure feeling, that is, let me make this one the same as the Father. Along with this, You should have the elevated hope that from being poverty stricken, unhappy, and peaceless, let all souls be constantly peaceful, happy, and full of all treasures. You will then be called a master bestower. Slogan: those who serve with their thoughts, words, and actions are constant servers. Service is merged in their every breath. Again, those who serve with their thoughts, words, and actions are constant servers. Service is merged in their every breath. Om Shanti.